Hello guys, welcome back to EmpMonitor. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the most powerful feature of EmpMonitor, that is Timesheet. As we all know, timesheets is an integral part of any business, which helps to keep the productivity of employees under control. So, let's see what all timesheet features EmpMonitor provides. Let's get started. Log in to your EmpMonitor account. Here you can see the dashboard. Now click on the Timesheets option. As you can see, EmpMonitor creates timesheets automatically. You can customize the sheet layout by days or weeks. You can also structure your columns with these options. Put a checkmark on the option you want in the columns. EmpMonitor also provides two options, CSV and PDF, to download the reports. Click on CSV, if you want the report in the respective format. You can also customize your report from these options and hit the Submit button. Your report will be downloaded. Just click on the downloaded file, and you can see your customized report. Similarly, you can download the timesheet report in PDF format as well. If you want to search the attendance record of any particular employee, then you can search from here through the relatable data. Scroll through, and you will get all the details. So, this was a quick overview of how to use the timesheets feature on EmpMonitor. If you need any help or face issues, feel free to write to us at support@empmonitor.com or contact us over Skype.